Hi there, thanks for tuning in. You'll see me change the Clic Clac push button basin waste. Do stick around till end. Let's grab some gloves. So, you're looking at old one which has top missing. It's more than 13 years old, so I would new one pretty much overdue. So here is stainless steel one with brass nut I bought from Temu. Looks nice, well built, solid and heavy. I am impressed. I think it is worth the money. Yep, I think. It's the right size too. Comes with the instruction leaflet. But usually, we only read the instructions when we get stuck, or when discover that item we have assembled is wrong. Let's get to it, shall we? Let's take it out of packaging. More like drag it out of the packaging, due to one-handed operation. Let's take out the outgoing pipe at the bottom. Out comes the old one. In goes the new one. Gotta make sure correct position and sequence of seals is observed. Once the sealing washers are in, can tighten the brass nut, but not too tight though, ensuring it's not cross-threaded. Let's stick the outgoing pipe back on, making sure the seal is intact. Hand tight will be fine if it feels it's not going to leak. Just make sure all the seals are clean and not damaged. Give it clean and tidy up before we test it. Cover off, and then we test to make sure it's not leaking. Let's check if pipe work is leaking. Yep, looks dry, no leak. Now check if Clic Clac works. Yep, holding the water fine. I think we have done it, folks. Thanks for watching.